earn daily with digital resale rights, even if you're starting late in life. This is the video I wish I had 2 years ago, or even seen it. By now, you know I'm not about hype or fake claims. I'm a great-grandmother who built a 100% profit business after retirement with a phone, a cell phone, and a blueprint, just a phone. So in this final part of Series 8, I'm breaking it down. What is Master Resell Rights, or MRR? Why is it different from MLM, multi-level marketing, or affiliate marketing? And how can you start without tech skills or any experience? Here's the model. You purchase a license to a digital training program. That license gives you the right to resell it and keep 100% of the sale every time. Your own website and funnel and training all built in, plug in. A business that earns while you live your life, not one that consumes it. I earn from my cell phone or any device with Wi-Fi, not because I'm special, but because I finally found a system that didn't require me to hustle my sanity away. I've done that enough. I've helped retirees, parents, and even people on disability build this. If you're watching this, maybe it's time for you. Comment daily if you want the same training I followed, or you can visit my site at hollypringdailypay.com for the step-by-step walkthrough. It's free to check out. Remember, it's never too late to build freedom, especially when the tools are already built for you. Stay tuned for my next mini series 9, 3 parts, The Price of Waiting Too Long.